I killed my cat. This is the murder weapon. Oh, it's still alive. Kill it! Hello, here's a knife. You're licking the knife? It's got your blood on it. Your blood. You're licking your blood? That is so gross, man. Ew. That is a knife. This is nasty. Gross. You don't know who's touched this. Not your tongue. That was your blood that was supposed to be played as. Here. Keep enjoying your knife. Yeah, you enjoy that knife? Yeah. Can't believe you're eating ketchup off a knife. You are crazy. Gosh, you're weird. You're such my cat.